Plant 1. Pomegranate. You probably have this fruit sitting in your kitchen right now, and you have no idea what it's hiding. Punica granatum, the pomegranate, is one of the oldest cultivated fruits on Earth. In Persian mythology, the warrior Esfandiar ate a pomegranate and became invincible. When you eat a pomegranate, your gut bacteria convert its compounds into a molecule called urolithin A. This molecule triggers mitophagy, your body's system for breaking down worn-out mitochondria and recycling them into fresh ones. Think of mitochondria as tiny batteries powering every cell. Over time, they break down, pile up, and clog your system. Urolithin A clears them out. In human clinical trials, adults taking it showed improved muscle strength and increased production of ATP, the energy currency your cells run on. But not everyone benefits equally. You need the right gut bacteria to make the conversion, and some people simply don't have them. Plant 2. True cinnamon. There's a good chance the cinnamon in your kitchen is an imposter. About 95% of cinnamon sold worldwide isn't true cinnamon. It's cassia, a cheaper relative loaded with coumarin, a compound that can damage your liver over time. Real cinnamon, Cinnamomum verum, or Ceylon cinnamon, comes from Sri Lanka, and its anti-aging mechanism is fascinating. Every time sugar enters your bloodstream, it reacts with proteins like collagen and literally caramelizes them. This creates damaged structures called AGEs, advanced glycation end products. They wrinkle your skin, stiffen your arteries, and accelerate aging from the inside out. Ceylon cinnamon is a glycation assassin. Its proanthocyanidins trap the reactive molecules that form AGEs before they can do the damage. In lab studies, cinnamon blocked up to 85% of internal rusting. Ancient Unani medicine listed it as a longevity secret centuries ago. Now we know it's the difference between your body staying flexible or literally turning to stone. Plant 3. Amla. Most people think oranges are the ultimate vitamin C source. They're not even close. This small, sour Indian fruit, Amla or Indian gooseberry, packs up to 20 times more vitamin C than an orange. But it's not just the amount, it's the delivery system. Most vitamin C is highly unstable and degrades before your body can even process it. Amla's vitamin C is armored in a rare complex of tannins that keep it stable, so your body actually uses it. Why does that matter for aging? Vitamin C is the raw material your body needs to build collagen, the protein keeping your skin firm and joints flexible. As you age, collagen production drops. Amla helps keep it going. Ancient Indian medicine considered amla the single most powerful anti-aging fruit in existence. It's the star ingredient in a 5,000-year-old rejuvenation formula, created, according to legend, after an elderly sage used it to reverse his own aging. Modern studies confirm it reduces oxidative stress, blocks AGE's formation, and improves skin elasticity. 5,000 years of tradition, now backed by science. Plant 4. Black seed. In Arabic, they call it the seed of blessing. Ancient doctors called this a cure for everything except death. Nigella sativa has been used as medicine across the Middle East and South Asia for over 3,000 years. What the ancients saw as magic, we now identify as a chemical called thymoquinone. It doesn't just neutralize free radicals like most antioxidants. It actively shields your DNA from oxidative damage, the kind that accumulates with age and drives cell breakdown and disease. Thymoquinone also blocks the formation of AGEs, the same glycation damage we talked about with cinnamon. In lab models, it stopped collagen cross-linking by over 90%. It also fights inflammaging, the chronic, low-grade inflammation that silently accelerates how fast your body deteriorates. In clinical trials, elderly volunteers taking black seed showed improved memory, cognition, and attention in just 9 weeks. A seed of blessing? The science says yes. Plant 5. Gotu kola. In 1933, the New York Times published an obituary for a Chinese herbalist named Li Qingyuan, who claimed to be 256 years old. His secret? A daily tonic of Gotu kola. While the age is likely a legend, the science behind the plant is very real. In parts of Asia, they call it tiger grass, because wounded tigers were seen rolling in it to heal their skin. Gotu kola has been used for over 3,000 years across India, China, and Southeast Asia. But this isn't just folklore. Gotu kola's active triterpenoid compounds directly signal your skin cells to produce more collagen. In one study, it boosted collagen production by up to 77%. It also blocks the enzymes that break collagen down, so it's building new collagen while protecting what you already have. It protects DNA from UV damage, reduces glycation, and improves blood circulation to aging tissues. Plant 6. Long pepper. You've probably never heard of this one. Piper longum, long pepper, looks like a tiny, spiky catkin. It's been used in Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years. Long pepper might be the most exciting anti-aging discovery on this entire list. Here's why. As you age, some of your cells stop dividing but refuse to die. Scientists call them senescent cells, or more casually, zombie cells. They sit in your tissues, leaking inflammatory signals that damage everything around them. They're one of the biggest drivers of aging. Long pepper contains a compound called piperlongumine, and in lab studies, it did something remarkable. It selectively killed these zombie cells while leaving healthy cells untouched. That's called a senolytic effect, and it's one of the hottest frontiers in anti-aging science right now. Most senolytic drugs in development are synthetic. Long pepper delivers one naturally, with low toxicity and high absorption, an ancient spice hiding a future drug. Plant 7. Myrobalin. In Tibet, they call this fruit the king of medicine. Myrobalin has been used for thousands of years across Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha, and Tibetan medicine. Almost no one in the West has heard of it. Myrobalin is loaded with gallic acid, ellagic acid, and chabulic acid, compounds that fight aging on multiple fronts. They neutralize free radicals, protect DNA from oxidative damage, and block the formation of AGEs, the same glycation damage that cinnamon targets. Think of it as cinnamon's heavyweight backup. It's also 1/3 of Triphala, one of the most widely used formulations in all of Ayurveda, taken daily by millions across South Asia for detoxification and rejuvenation. In a recent double-blind clinical trial, women taking myrobalin extract for 8 weeks showed measurable reductions in wrinkle severity and skin redness. Ancient title, modern proof. Plant 8. Jaoan. In the 1970s, Chinese scientists ran a nationwide census and found something strange. In certain mountain villages of southern China, an unusual number of people were living past 100, with remarkably low rates of disease. Researchers found only one common factor. The locals all drank tea made from a vine called Jiaogulan. It is also called the immortality herb, belongs to the cucumber family, but it contains over 80 saponins, similar to those found in ginseng. More variety, actually, than ginseng itself. Its real power? It activates AMPK, an enzyme that controls how your cells use energy. AMPK is the same pathway triggered by caloric restriction, one of the only proven methods to extend lifespan in lab animals. Jiaogulan mimics the anti-aging effect of eating less. Without the hunger, it also boosts your body's internal production of superoxide dismutase and glutathione, two of the most powerful antioxidants your cells make on their own. Plant 9. Ginko. This tree has been alive for 270 million years. It watched the dinosaurs come and go. It survived 3 mass extinction events, and in 1945, 6 ginkgo trees were found still standing near the epicenter of the Hiroshima atomic bomb blast. They budded shortly after and are still alive today. If any plant on Earth knows how to survive, it's Ginkgo biloba. Its secret lies in how it protects mitochondria, the energy factories inside every cell. As you age, mitochondria break down, leak damaging free radicals, and slowly rob your cells of power. Ginkgo extract stabilizes mitochondrial membranes, reduces oxidative stress, and improves energy output, especially in brain cells. It also increases blood flow to the brain by dilating blood vessels, which is why it's been prescribed in Europe for decades as an actual anti-dementia drug. Your brain is the organ most people fear losing to age. Ginkgo is one of the few plants with real evidence it can help protect it. Plant 10. Astrogalis. I saved the best for last. Every other plant on this list slows aging down. This one might actually reverse part of it. Inside every cell, your chromosomes are capped with protective tips called telomeres. Every time a cell divides, those tips get shorter. When they get too short, the cell stops working and either dies or becomes senescent, a zombie cell. This is one of the most fundamental mechanisms of aging. Astrogalis contains a compound called cycloastrogenol. It's currently the only known natural compound that activates telomerase in humans, the enzyme that rebuilds telomeres. In a randomized, placebo-controlled trial, people taking an Astrogalis-derived supplement for 12 months showed significant telomere lengthening. The placebo group, their telomeres kept shrinking. A pharmaceutical company turned this compound into a supplement called TA65 and charges hundreds of dollars a bottle. The plant it comes from has been used in Chinese medicine for over 2,000 years. It cost almost nothing.